Today, we're stepping back in time to a place where every cookie tells a story, where recipes, traditions, and even tools have stayed the same for centuries. This isn't just a bakery, it's a slice of history, and it starts here in Radovljica.
The heart of Radovljica is the Linhart Square, and its layout dates back to the 14th century. Named after the father of Slovene theatre, Anton Tomaž Linhart, the square has long been a center of trade, culture and community. With beautifully preserved Renaissance and Baroque buildings lining the streets, this square has been a silent witness to centuries of history, from the bustling medieval markets of the past to the vibrant communal gatherings that continue to fill it with life today.
Now for the moment of truth. We have arrived to Gostilna Lectar. This place has been standing for more than 500 years. In this house, Jakov Kriviš opened a workshop and a gingerbread bakery in 1766, making traditional gingerbread products even till this day. It also has a family-run restaurant with local Slovenian cuisine, open since 1822. A hotel with unique rooms furnished in a medieval style, and a gingerbread museum. Of course, we had to try their food, and the menu did not disappoint. We ordered the struki with creamy truffle sauce, and their famous farmer's plate, which came with the popular Kraniška klobasa sausage, along with a buckwheat mash called Ajdovi Škanski.
And next, we went to explore the Gingerbread Museum, where you can see the original process of making this renowned lectovo srce, initially crafted as keepsakes for special occasions like weddings, festivals, and religious celebrations. A true symbol of love and tradition from Slovenia.
These are beautifully decorated, heart-shaped cookies with bright colors and intricate patterns. Some even have tiny mirrors in the center. Each one is carefully crafted and often personalized with names and messages. You can find these cookies everywhere in Slovenia, and next time you're here, don't miss the chance to come over to see and taste this cultural piece of heritage for yourself.